Hey guys, JR Fisher here. I want to do this quick video because I want to tell you about an exciting new channel I'm starting, and it's going to be a cooking channel. It's going to be called Restaurant Quality Recipes, and I'm going to take you to the kitchen right now. One second, I want to show you the kitchen, but I'm going to also put a link down below so you can find the channel, so you can subscribe if you want. If you're into cooking, you're going to want to check out this channel. If you're not, you wouldn't want to check it out because it's not for you. Okay, so here is our family room here. We had this house designed so that I could actually do this cooking channel. So this is the kitchen over here. And I just wanted to show you guys how much stuff you have to do a single recipe, okay? Let's walk around here. Oh, there's a picture of her dog. She's all dressed up for Christmas, look at that. And my wife has got this table here set up. Let me see if I can put a light on there. Yeah, so she's got this table all set up here. And we got all these appliances that are supposed to help me cook better meals. I don't know if they will or not. But this is a bracket here that we're going to use. The camera's going to go here so that you can have that down view shot. I just want to let you guys see how this is actually done. It's not as easy as you think. So then you have all these bright lights on you. Oh, I got to get that light on. Hang on one second. Let's get over here real quick and make sure that light works. Hey, is that plugged in? That is plugged in. Let's see. Yes. So that light works too. So we got this big ring light here. We got all these other lights here. We've got great countertops here to make it. Tonight we're making a video and it's going to be restaurant quality steaks, Ruth Chris style, with stuffed mushrooms. And I've got some prime sirloin that we're going to use to do this. So I wanted to bring you in here, let you see what's going on, let you see what I see. Okay, all these lights and everything right behind me here. But we're going to make a really cool meal. So if you're really into learning how to make food at home that tastes like a restaurant, this is going to be the channel for you. It's called Restaurant Quality Recipes, and I'm going to do all kinds of different recipes on there. Not going to be doing as many videos on this channel as I do on my other channels, JR Fisher Training, because this takes a long time to shoot one video. So this video here is probably going to take me, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours, and then I got to edit it, and that could take another 3 or 4 hours. So it's a long time to do a single video, but I just wanted to let you guys see what I'm working with here. I think we got a nice kitchen, nice setup, and I'll see you on the channel. Make sure you go down below, click that link and subscribe. See you there.